Shandong Joyance Intelligent Technology Co. Limited is a manufacturer specializing in the production of intelligent remote control lawn mowers. Since its establishment 8 years, Joyance has been specializing in the research, development, production and sales of remote control agricultural machinery. Joyance products are exported to more than 100 countries. We provide professional sales solution and after-sales service. We can also accept OEM and ODM orders. Our products have been certified by CE, EPA, FCC, ISO certificate. Joyance Remote Control Lawn Mower Production Process. Step 1 Product Design. Step 2 Product Logo Design OEM. Step 3 Bending. Step 4 Welding. Step 5 Polishing. Step 6 Shot Blasting. Step 7 Spray Paint. Step 8 Assembly. Step 9 Testing. Step 10 Packaging. Step 11 Shaping. Introduction to main models. GTM 8005 in 1, specifically designed for orchards. Multifunctional, remote control lawn mower. Function 1, lawn mower. Function 2, air power sprayer. Function 3, automatic lifting platform. Function 4, remote shaping pallet. Function 5, snow shovel. GT800, 800 mm cutting width, big 16 HP gasoline engine. 200 meters remote control distance. Multifunctional optional snow shovel. GT550, 550 mm cutting width, 9 HP gasoline engine. GT550S, low cost, good quality, easy to use and maintain. Customer feedback.